There are also questions from the Filipino people. How much money has been allocated for flood control and where exactly has it been spent? Why do some areas remain heavily flooded while others are protected? What are the intentions of those behind these issues? Why don't they have compassion for the victims of this? For those responsible, think about the countless homes ruined and lives lost due to your selfish desire for money.
Good afternoon. This is Edgardo Arcasimiro III, and today we're reporting on the ongoing flood control issue affecting many communities. The Department of Public Works and Highways was allocated around 545 billion for flood control projects implemented from 2022 to 2025. Many of these projects are now under investigation for possible irregularities. Government officials have estimated that large portion of this budget were not used effectively, with reports saying that up to 42 to 118 billion of flood control funds may have been lost to corruption from 2023 to 2025. Independent advocates like Greenpeace Philippines claim that as much as around 1 trillion of climate-related funds, including those for flood controls, could have been vulnerable to misuse or corruption, with some estimates suggesting hundreds of billions could be involved.